How to delete all your tweets at once. What's up everyone? In this video, we're going to see if it is possible for you to delete all of your tweets at once on your X or Twitter app. But before you do that, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you want to do is make sure that your X or your Twitter is updated. So go ahead and search for X on your Play Store or your App Store. And if you see an update button right here instead of open, you just want to update the app. Once you do that, just open up your app and make sure to log into your account. So once you open up your account, all you have to do here is now go ahead and tap on this plus icon to add any tweet. So I'm just going to post a random tweet right here. So once you post it, all you have to do is to check your tweets, tap on the profile icon at the top left, and from here you can just tap on your profile. So from here on your post, you will find all of the tweets that you've made throughout your X or Twitter career. So in order to delete your tweet, you just basically tap on the three lines and tap on delete post. So as of now, there is no active way to delete all of your tweets at once. You will basically have to find the tweet that you want to delete or multiple tweets. And from there, you just have to tap on the three lines and then tap on delete post. So this is the only way for you to delete your tweets for now. But if Twitter brings out new updates where it allows you to delete multiple posts at once, then we'll be the first one to let you know that. Make sure to be subscribed and turn on the bell icon. I will see you guys next time.